Hello friends, welcome to Monkey Art! Yeah, thanks Monkey. And today we're gonna draw bananas! No, we're gonna draw robots. Oh, okay, I really love bananas though. We're gonna draw bananas in some next lesson. Okay, cool! So we're gonna draw a cool robot called Gil from Cosmo Planet, and we're gonna use some markers, or you can use color pencils or crayons. Then we're gonna use a piece of paper, and we're gonna need black marker. I'm gonna use my rocket marker, and guys, we can start. We can start drawing our cool little robot. So we're gonna start by drawing his little eyes. So we're gonna make circles somewhere. Let me see, robot will go like this. So we're gonna put his eyes somewhere here. Okay, so we have one eye, then we're gonna draw another one, and then we're gonna just put two little black circles in the middle, just like that. And then we're gonna draw that square shape, but before that we're gonna draw his little triangle mouth. And it goes like this. Okay, and now we're gonna draw that little shape. So it's basically a rectangle, but with little curvy edges. It goes like this. Then we have a little line going here. Then we have a line down and one more up. And now all that we need to do is to make a little curvy edges on our little rectangle. Just like this. Cool, okay. So we've got his face. Now we're gonna draw another rectangle around this one. So it's gonna be a little bigger, just like this, here as well. Then we're gonna draw two more lines. One, two, and then again make those little curvy edges, just like this. Okay, cool. We have completed that part. Now we need to draw his side shape. Okay, and it goes a little bit down, just like this, down. So let's do that. And again, we're gonna need a little curvy edge. And then it goes like this, and we need a little curvy edge here. Cool. So we have his head completed, and now we're gonna draw his little neck, and it goes somewhere here. Okay, and it's gonna be gray. And now we're gonna draw his little body, and it's gonna be the same size, as his head, but a lot thinner, just like this. Okay, and also side parts. Cool, looking nice. I'm just gonna put a little bit thicker line here. Okay, and then we're gonna draw the bottom part, and this part helps him move, and it goes something like this. Okay, And we need to connect these ones just like that. And now we're gonna draw some shapes inside. So here we're gonna put 1, 2, 3 circles. We're gonna put here a little square, and here we're gonna just put some lines, just like that. Boom! These lines, this shape also tanks have, so it helps them move. And we're gonna put here as well some shape with, let's say, circle inside, and then another shape here. And you can draw whatever you like on this robot. You can make him completely different if you want. And there we go, we have our little gill completed. Now all that we have to do is to color him. So I'm gonna use first, let's say, this light blue marker, and I'm gonna color his face, or the screen of this little robot. Okay, and we're gonna leave eyes white. Okay, let's color the bottom side. Okay, and here as well. And we're gonna also use blue for some shapes. Let's say this one, and we're done with blue. Now we're gonna use our little yellow marker and color this shape. And we have also orange to color this little circle. Cool. And now we're gonna use gray and color the bottom part of his body. We're gonna color, actually we can color the whole thing here. Just like that. And we're gonna also use, we're gonna color this part gray. And also inside this little part. Okay, and cool. And also we can color his neck gray. Cool. Now for his mouth, maybe we can leave it white, or I'm gonna actually use black and color it black, just like this, so it looks like his mouth is open. And there we go, guys, we have our little robot completed, and his name is Gil, so we can say bye bye Gil. And we can also give him a little check mark because we have completed our little robot. And we're gonna give him a little heart because we love our little robot. And that's all for today's lesson, guys. See you next time. Bye bye. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.